Hello viewers, I hope you are fine. I came up with three login design. So as you know that login page is most important part of any application. For example, mobile application, web application, or window application. It generally take credential from the user and check whether the user is registered or not. It also check that what role does it have. Uh, the login page should be very simple and not much overloaded information. It will be look very good if it has very simple. So let's begin. So this is first design, and this is second design, this is third design. Let's start with uh, first design. So what the main container is grid container. I generally prefer main container as a grid container, and after that I have take image, and and first of all the background of the page is set as blue color, and then after I set frame. This frame, this is frame, and it has a round corner radius as 50, and I set hash shadow as true. And what I have done, the frame will look if I have not keep margin as -40, then here will be shown as round framework. So what I have done, this framework is taken down to the border. So I have taken margin as -40. If you want round border to be shown at the bottom, you remove that margin. After I have added two label, two entry for username and password. For password is password is true, so user will not able to view what password is typed. And after that login button has corner radius 20. To have the radius corner should be in round format. After that I have text stack layout. This stack layout will have means I'm giving user another four option. If he don't want to log in with any username and password, he can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn. So I have kept this image. After that this forget password is labeled, and this is also labeled. If he doesn't have any login account, so he can register here. I will create register page in next video. So this is first design. uh, in all the design I have design is mostly common. I have taken username pass and password entry. As you see, I removed the frame from here. I just kept the stack layout. Design is already same. Just I have this is stack layout, means this is stack layout. In stack layout this is image. After that to label, entry, and button. After the stack layout which has four images, which have option for login, in Facebook, Twitter, Google or LinkedIn. After that, label for password and sign up here. In third design, a little bit change is here. This cross line is path, and this also cross line is path. So this is path, and after that, in the same row I have added path and images. After that, same thing, to label, entry, button and stack layout, which has another option for login and forget password and sign up here, and at the last I have added path. You can get path from here, from this website. What you have to do is just take any shape you want to prefer. I have taken this 1 minute. Yeah, I have taken this path, and after that I have changed its shape like this. Uh, so you can also work on it. Whatever you want design, you can shape it and click on view, click on source, then copy this d value and paste it in data property. So the same shape you will get in mobile image. If you want another image, then you can download the SVG file. Right click on open that SVG file in Internet Explorer or any browser, then right click on that image. You will get inspect element. On the inspect element or view source, you will don't click on inspect element, click on view source. You will get path value. I don't have SVG file here. I will create a video for SVG file, and you will get a better understanding on that. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. This code you can download from code you can copy from this website. So all login design is available here. I am also coming with another login design. I am working on it. It is not ready, so after it ready I will come with the design. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you.